Hello everyone. Welcome to Wanderluster, where we are going to uncover hidden gems and secret wonders of the world. Today, in this video we are diving into the hidden gems of Manali, nestled in the heart of Himachal Pradesh, India. Known for its breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture and adventurous spirit, Manali is a destination that truly captivates the soul. Its rich cultural heritage, coupled with its stunning natural beauty, makes it a heaven for travelers seeking adventure, tranquility, and spiritual enlightenment. From snow-capped peaks to lush green valleys, this picturesque town in Himachal Pradesh, India, offers a breathtaking blend of natural beauty and rich heritage. You might think you know all there is to know about this popular tourist destination, but trust me, there's so much more to explore. So, buckle up and join us as we embark on a journey to discover the 15 underrated travel destinations that make Manali a must-visit for every explorer. Let's dive in. Number 1. Nagar Castle. Nestled amidst the breathtaking mountains, Nagar Castle is a historic gem that offers a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of Himachal Pradesh. Explore the ancient architecture and soak in the panoramic views of the Kullu Valley. It's truly a place where every corner has a story to tell, making it a must-visit destination for history buffs and nature lovers alike. Number 2. Jogini Waterfall. Hidden amidst the verdant forests of Manali, Jogini Waterfall is a serene oasis waiting to be discovered. A trek through the verdant trails leads you to this cascading marvel of nature. The cascading waters surrounded by pristine nature create a serene atmosphere that's perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. Dip your toes in the cool waters, listen to the symphony of birdsong, and let the tranquility wash over you. It's a perfect spot to unwind and reconnect with the beauty of the natural world. Number 3. Ampata Pass. For the adventurers at heart, Ampata Pass is the ultimate thrill. Embark on a journey through rugged terrain, snow-capped peaks, and lush meadows. The trek is challenging, but the rewards are priceless panoramic vistas that will leave you breathless. It's an experience that tests your limits and rewards you with the raw and untouched beauty of the Himalayas. Number 4. Solang Valley. Solang Valley isn't just for winter sports enthusiasts. In the warmer months, it transforms into a paradise of greenery and tranquility. Take a ride on the cable car and soar above the valley, drinking in the panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. Whether you're seeking adventure or simply want to relax amidst nature's splendor, Solang Valley has something for everyone. Number 5. Manu Temple. Perched amidst the hills, Manu Temple is a testament to ancient mythology. Dedicated to sage Manu, the temple's architecture and serene ambience draw visitors seeking solace and spiritual connection. It's a place where history and faith intertwine, inviting you to reflect on the mysteries of the universe and find peace amidst the chaos of modern life. Number 6. Old Manali. Wander through the cobbled streets of Old Manali and lose yourself in its old world charm. Quaint cafes, colorful markets, and traditional Himachali architecture await you at every turn. It's a journey back in time that will leave you enchanted, where every corner reveals a hidden gem and every interaction feels like a glimpse into the past. Number 7. Kothi Village. Escape the tourist crowds and find solace in the tranquility of Kothi Village. Surrounded by apple orchards and majestic peaks, it's a heaven for those seeking peace amidst nature's bounty. Take a leisurely stroll or simply bask in the serenity of this hidden gem. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. Number 8. Vashisht Temple and Hot Springs. Step into a realm of spirituality and relaxation at Vashisht Temple and Hot Springs. The ancient temple dedicated to sage Vashisht exudes an aura of peace, while the natural hot springs are believed to have healing properties. It's the perfect blend of serenity and rejuvenation, where you can immerse yourself in centuries-old traditions and natural wonders. Number 9. Gulaba. Tucked away from the hustle and bustle of Manali, Gulaba is a serene retreat waiting to be discovered. Surrounded by towering mountains and verdant valleys, it offers a glimpse of Himachal's raw, untouched beauty. Lose yourself in the serenity of this hidden paradise, where the only sounds you'll hear are the whispers of the wind and the songs of birds. Number 10. Rala Falls. Nature's masterpiece awaits you at Rala Falls. Located en route to Rohtang Pass, the cascading waters amidst lush greenery create a spectacle worth witnessing. Feel the mist on your face and immerse yourself in the raw, untamed beauty of the Himalayas. It's a reminder of the power and majesty of nature, and a moment of tranquility in the midst of your journey. Number 11. Bijli Mahadev Temple. Perched atop a hill, Bijli Mahadev Temple offers not just spiritual solace but also breathtaking views of the Parvati Valley. Legend has it that the temple's Shiva Linga is struck by lightning, symbolizing the divine union of Shiva and Shakti. It's a place where mythology comes to life, and where every visit feels like a pilgrimage to the heart of the Himalayas. Number 12. Nehru Kund. Nehru Kund, named after India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, is more than just a natural spring. It's a place where you can quench your thirst with the purest water while soaking in the tranquil surroundings. Refresh your body and soul at this hidden gem, where the rhythm of life slows down and every moment feels like a gift from nature. Number 13. Jana Waterfall. Hidden amidst the quaint village of Jana lies a secret paradise, Jana Waterfall. Trek through apple orchards and pine forests to reach this serene spot, where the gushing waters and pristine surroundings create a heaven for nature lovers. It's a place where you can escape the noise of the world and immerse yourself in the beauty of the Himalayas. Number 14. Rohtang Tunnel. Marvel at human ingenuity as you pass through the Rohtang Tunnel, the world's longest tunnel above 10,000 feet. But it's not just about engineering, the tunnel offers mesmerizing views of the snow-capped peaks, making it a journey to remember. It's a testament to human perseverance and a reminder of the beauty and power of the mountains. Number 15. Bhrigu Lake. Last but not least, embark on an unforgettable journey to Bhrigu Lake, nestled at an altitude of over 14,000 feet. The trek is challenging, but the rewards are unparalleled, crystal-clear water surrounded by towering peaks, creating a surreal setting that will stay with you forever. It's a place where you can push your limits and discover the true meaning of adventure, all while surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of the Himalayas. And there you have it, the 15 underrated travel destinations of Manali that are truly worth exploring. Whether you're a nature lover, adventure enthusiast, or cultural explorer, Manali has something for everyone. So, pack your bags, hit the road, and let the mountains work their magic on you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous. Thank you, and goodbye.